WordPress developer course. In this lesson, I will show you how you can make a post on your WordPress website. So open your browser. Where is my browser? Come up a day. And here is the thing. There are a couple of ways to do a single thing on WordPress. I am going to show you all of them. So the first way is hover over post and click on add new. The second way is, listen to me very carefully. The second way is hover over new and click on post. And the third way is click on post and click on add new. This button, click on add new. And in this box, in this input box, you can enter the title of your blog post. So I'm just going to enter first, not fist, just leave it as it is, fist post. Copy it a single time and paste it just right here, a couple of time and paste it. And now I'm going to show you some of the options, some of the beautiful and elegant options of the WordPress editor. So you can make a headline by selecting your text and clicking on this button and clicking on any one of the heading from H1 to H6. Remember this, H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest one. So you can select whatever you want, but I'm going to select the H1 because it's the biggest one. You can make your post bold by selecting your text and clicking on B button or bold button. You can make it italic as well by selecting your text and clicking on this I button. And now these two options are very important, this one and this one. This one are used to make a list, so we need to separate some data from here. So let's just separate it. There we go. And now select this and click on this bullet list button. It will make these text a bullet in bullet list. It will organize it in bullets. So let's just click on bulleted list. Click on this button and boom, you have your very first bullet list in your WordPress editor. And now I'm going to show you how you can make a number list. So let's just separate some data from here and as usual select this and click on this number list button and boom, you have your very first number list in your WordPress editor. And now these three options are used to align your text as according to you want. So command A to select all the text or control A in Windows to select all the text and just click on align left to align all your posts in the left. It didn't did anything because the default one is left alignment. You can click on this button to align all the text in center. So just click on that and boom, all the text are now aligned in center. You can also right align them by just clicking on this button and boom, we have aligned all the text in to the right direction. We can let's just leave it to the left. And now I'm going to show you how you can insert a link in your post. So let's just type GWOGLE, the best search engine in the world. Select this and click on this insert or edit link button. And now enter the URL right here. So I'm going to enter www.google.com, www.google.com, google.com, and click on apply or hit enter and boom, we have our very first link just right here. You can toggle the toolbar by using this button, so just click on this to see what it does. You can strike through your text by selecting your text and clicking on this strike through button. You can insert a horizontal line by clicking on this horizontal line button. So click on that and boom, we have our horizontal line just right here. You can change the color of your text by selecting your text and clicking on this button. And now I think that you can explore all the other options just by yourself. You can explore all of them by your own. I'm going to show you some other option. You can save your post by clicking on this save draft button. So just click on that to save it. You can preview it to see how your post is going to look like. So let's just preview it, and boom, this is the title, this is our heading, this is bold, this is italic, this is our link. No, this is the color, change color text, this is our horizontal line, this one, this is our link, this is our number list, and this is our bullet list. So here we go. Now go back to your WordPress site, and I'm going to share this option, this format option. Always listen to this very carefully. Always select the standard option, because this is the best option which will give you better SEO ranking, or there are some better chances to get found in Google by selecting this option. If you will select one of these options, then they might not get that better rank, but you should always select the standard way because it is recommended by the experts. Now scroll down and you can add some categories by clicking on this button. So just click on add new category and just type your category. So I'm going to type SCIENCE. If you are a science student, then you should make this a category. I'm just joking. Don't make it science. I hate science. You can do maths. You can do blogging, which I think is your favorite, or WordPress. I think your WordPress might be your favorite one. So let's just enter WordPress. You can select and deselect any one of your categories. So I'm just going to deselect these math science type because I don't like math and science, and because this post don't belong to this. You can also insert a tag. How you can insert a tag? Scroll down to this option on tag option and enter some tag. And remember this one thing, you should always be using tag because it helps you to get better rank in Google. So always use some tags. So I'm just putting some dummy content because I am running out of names. So just enter WordPress first, and let's leave it. Let's enter one more. Let's block, and boom. And now scroll up to this publish section. You can schedule your post by selecting this option, this publish immediately, and click on edit, and you can schedule your post based on the time that you are going to enter just right here. But I'm not going to do it because you can do it on your own. I have shown you the way. And you can click on the visibility option. Yes, this is a very cool option. If you don't want anyone to see your post, then you can make it password protected, and then anyone who has your password can only get to view your post, which I don't think that you will like. You can also make your post private, and because of this private option, only and only you can view your post, which I don't think that you will like. So always use this public option because it will make your post available to all the public, and it will generate lots of money. And who don't like money, don't you? And now click on this publish button to publish this post. You can move it to trash, which I don't want to because I have invested so much time in writing this post and showing this to you. So I'm not going to click on this move to trash because it will move my work to the trash, and I will have to record this video again. So I'm not going to do it. I'm going to click on publish. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add images in your post and how you can set feature image in your post. And I'm also going to show you how you can add comments and what is the difference between a featured image and a normal image. So all are coming up next in the next lecture or in the upcoming lectures. So I will see you there in my next lecture.